We started our class, Custodial Safety and Understanding Chemicals. We're doing a benchmark test here to see what product cleans the best for oil. We've added oil as our basis, and then we used a surfactant to see how it separates out. So we can see here the different areas based on a surfactant. Here you can see that the separation between these two is occurring. That's vinegar and oil. So each table has their setup ready to go as we test different products. We don't want you to see the brands, but you can see here how the separation is occurring based on the product as it forms and separates out from the area where we're testing it. So we're trying to determine what works better. This is oil. The oil we're using is a corn-based oil, and surfactant seems to be the winner, whatever brand it might be. And we've determined that the color blue seems to be the most exciting. And here you can see how it's forming the goblets of area on the separation. And here you can see this is just not cleaning it up, but some of these, they just assimilate the oil immediately and clean it up. So we can really see what's happening here over time. As you can see, these two are not, here it's breaking down the oil and for cleaning. So the idea here is a surfactant cleans and a bleach sanitizes. And again, we're not looking at the brand, we're just looking at the type of bleach that might be here, and bleaches come as different brands, but the main one here, and we can look here and see the product in it. Sodium hypochlorite, 7%. Most of the ingredients in these have 90% inert products. Usually it's water. Everyone's on a break at this time. Our benchmark product is green, and our oil is put into the other container so we can have a benchmark test. Again, I've used a pipette or a straw in this case to enter our product here to see what it's like. Thanks a lot. That's your class on chemical safety.